Hey, do you know that only 8% of African farmers use decision support tools? It's time to change that. Welcome to the SOWIT mobile app, your partner in precision agriculture. With FERTISAT, you can achieve gains of $250 per hectare by optimizing nitrogen inputs on cereals. All you need is to download the app on your smartphone, choose your plot, select FERTISAT, fill in the fertilization stages and your plant dose at that stage, and you'll be on your way to increase your yields and cut down on your costs. From now on, you'll receive for each stage our recommendation on the quantity of nitrogen needed and its distribution on your plot, taking into account the potential of your plot, the progress of the season, and your yield objectives. FERTISAT, bridging the farmer information gap by characterizing the plots and providing quality information to farmers and partners. Download the SOWIT mobile app on your Play Store. SOWIT, unleash the potential of your land.